Alright, these are all the parts for the spiral graph. Then we're going to do assembly. Here is the controller. Alright, for the Lego Wedo. Alright, let's do some part here. We're going to assemble the top part here. Okay, we're going to do the base. And this is where the motor will be attached to the base. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Okay, nicely done up. The base. Okay, now we can think about attaching the motor. Right, the motor, you use a small gear, and it will provide you with a greater torque. All right. Small gear will be driving the bigger gear, so you have greater torque for the turn. Right, this part here. So let's attach the motor behind. Okay, done up nicely. Let's get the wires put up nicely here. So we want to entangle. Okay, so let's tidy up the wires. Make sure the wire doesn't run about. Okay. Oops, the motor is out. Let's tidy up, put it back. Okay, so the wires are neatly tied up here. Okay, now next, what we're going to do here, we're going to do the other motor mechanism to make it turn, rotate. This is a pre-assembled part here for the lower part of the motor mechanism. It's a bigger gear, and we'll lock this in place, rightly so. Okay, let's put the top here, and we're going to put the lower mechanism to the motor mechanism. It looks good. All right, so let's put it below this, align to the motor. I think that's just nicely done. All right, align the gear, and you'll lock nicely in place. Okay, there we go. The motor mechanism done already for rotating. In order to make it for rotate, we're going to use this piece here. All right, this piece locking in. You're able to rotate it, and now let's put it on top. Okay, so the piece is rotate. All right, place at the base. Okay, yes. All right, so let's add 2 eyes to it, because this is a little insect that we have made. That is your rotating mechanism for the spiral graph, part 1.